prominent composers of Carnatic music and is widely regarded as the father of Carnatic music. Purandaradasa addressed social issues in addition to worship in his compositions, a practice emulated by his younger brother Kanakadasa. We, the Indians, invoke gods and goddesses to bless us with different things on different occasions. One such goddess is Lakshmi, the goddess of fortune. Now, we will witness a dance choreographed by Ranjini Saigal. We had missed a couple of names in the brochure, so I would like to announce the names of the participants. Ananya, Shweta, Sayali, Trisha, Shireen, Priya, Archa, Tanya, Disha, Shivani, Diti, Nidhi, Jai Shakti. So let us walk Bhagyada Lakshmi, Baramati.
Lakshmi Baramma Nammane Saubhagya Lakshmi Baramma Nammane Saubhagya Lakshmi Baramma Hejje mele hejje dinkuda hejje kalina nadava tonuda sajjana sadhu pooje
Really cute. Everyone did it so well, huh?
Nidhi, but Nidhi was looking really